Sin ach tá. Oh, well, that's the tune. But we did some sin hin. Oh, clacky me a grappling who cacum. Get my cad. Get my cad. Shouldn't sack it up. Carl me Dalanish. Stay on your guard. Aye, not a shallow. Okay. I'll split you. Oops. Uh-oh. Sus. Agus ri. Cymra secr o dal ceis go leor a mír cwt sin y bosich yn y fara ag yn i'r sio. Fo, a mi anna ffort. So dal ceis go leor. Hai canan slutach. Charo mi really dŵr I sin o'r hamoran y fi feihw y sycedig na hadyn y janu caran na patterns ach gysyn nhw'n gyd cwrasgaif caran ynan. So charo mi really dŵr I sin. Agus rwy'n chortram agus ha chortram mi yn y gemich yn Dark Souls siag yn nhw'n gyd Daniela a harsta stai sy'n gyd caran coapach wych agus Danya ein son cwtich gyharus lan y bosgyn as hynnyl sy'n awn son secro agus nam fiach se lac se a ha sy'n sfyr halwm se mi ein Dark Souls. As malam na chael na Danya sy'n y genig dat at a hau marafig yn compnach rwyntef. Ai, hei, so di'r gyffeihw, had gymam mochal. Oh, fwf. Right, J hack to read that.
Praise be to God.
It will take more than a few lads with newly polished bows to fell me.
The arrow was a boy.
A man with a boy's brain called Avgus.
Avgus? That can't be right.
I could return with his head on a spear if you'd like to see.
Spear halabaiver.
No reason to lie. But Avgus, my old friend, had no cause to murder. He saw London as a kill naufrage. To harden the softness of its younger men. Perhaps I ignored in him what I hoped not to see. Ambition, greed, anger.
From one man, such hatred is easy to spot, but from many, it's a fog that fills the room.
Inchinach.
Men will claw.
Tell him kitchen a line can say I'm measure.
Cost of everything.
Very true, and it's cold comfort when glory has the taste of your family's blood. 2 targets down, only the compass remains. If it were my men killed, I would be on my way to London now.
The compass will come. We must be ready. Expecting the worst.
I don't want anyone catching me off guard. Could we take the fight to him?
Maybe a way. Let's regroup in the church when you've had time to rest, Broga.
Okie dokie. Well, hishi.
The good sister was murdered, and where were your guards? You hear me, okay? Her blood's on you.
I mean, Dogan Dachri Shah.
Tell ya, it's them that killed Ghaidhlig and shifted the blame.
Pengen Varach. Nishin. We spent a grammy fast and some Gantev Shah stuff. Grit. We spent a gression of Amgiri, so. Oh, but we do get our calendar. Oh, well. Gone fast. Cahericlish.
Some surly guests outside.
Eivor, we didn't see you enter.
Ooh.
It's about time you found each other. Stop tiptoeing around it.
Yes, I've found Stowe and he's found me. And here we are.
Stellum Chen.
Have you stepped out today? There's a strange feeling brewing in the streets.
I've heard the shouts. The deaths of Avgos and Priestwin have angered many.
Let's hope the compass numbers among the offended.
I don't doubt it. But are we ready for him?
Let's go over all that's happened up till now.
He
Recap.
was killed and dismembered by men who worked for him. Men he trusted. Avgos, the Arrow. Our brother-in-arms. He wanted London for the Order.
And the good sister. That's another knife to the back. London's saint. Sister Freesweet. She was the leech and the city was her meat market. Your bishop has already issued an apology on behalf of the judge.
It's time we focused on the compass. Gather all we know and lay it out, plain as day.
Aye.
We let fly the feather dart, squeezed raven ink from a loathsome leech. Now we wait, wolf-tensed, for the master of the river rip to return and revenge his shaken warriors.
Well, well. This one's got the gift of Odin's meat.
Tell him Pàirt sa game show.
What's on your mind, Stowe?
We know the Compass is a sailor. Captain from Francia.
And he won't like hearing he's got a leak in his hull, so to speak. With the death of the leech and the arrow, you want to hit back. We can't know how or when.
Apart from this, the man's invisible. Coward, if you ask me.
Burn in your hell, you bloody reeves!
Oh.
Is there another way out?
Tower! There's an open window they can't have reached!
I'll go up. You find a way out.
Lascig. Oh, ik ga heel klasje. Het kan niet af.
Evil! Make for the steeple!
We've many years yet. Come on.
Noordnier. Het kan niet al. Ja, she's aan de hin. Dan moet je verder maken of even komen. Oops. Blackerston. Blackerston, jeez. Right. Okay. Catch me though. Susan here. I guess Susan hin. Right, okay, let me take you this. Ja, stachen naar heel. Ach, ik wil niet kaart. Okay. Right. Gene feeling me. But Sus, door's barred from the other side. Russia Skyrim. Yeah, I shouldn't three attackers could chuck on a Jayhound. Snagami can fuse Sekiro ach Dark Souls no I can't the door does not open from this side. Gaidhlig na laseth. Ah, sa Gaelic. Jenny move. Geen shachama. Hello, Gaartje. Oh, gaan we eens aan Jenny aan. Oh, yeah. Right.
That's only a taste of the...
Let's go now. Throw it, Gaartje.
Let's go!
Ah, both.
You'll pay with your lives!
Come at me, bro. Chin. Oh. Just... Where's the Charlem? There's a lot, I guess. Oof. Gaan we actually vliegen nu niet aan? Gaan we touwtje kunnen dagen? Shiny.
Let's get clear of this inferno.
Zeg, gaan we zien het al. Wow. Can you move?
I had a view of the city from the roof. There's a new flotilla in the harbor.
The compass.
Bastard. If we commandeered the spring roots at Avgosport, we could rain a cloud of arrows on the invaders.
I'd sooner take the flank and go around this army to the boats. If we cut the head off this beast, the Order's men will be easy to rout.
Dan ik kan het gelijk erken.
Let's focus on the compass. Kill him and the battle's won.
I can lead you straight to him. Through the reeds, like Stowe's Moses. Whatever happens, this ends tonight.
May God
Yes.
guide our souls and cover our backs.
Don't be reckless, little boys.
I'll see you when it's done, King. Count on it.
Mijn dag is nog basig, hè.
I know the path straight to the docks.
Oh
We'll be able
no.
to flank them.
Stach aggression na hachres. Gan basig am fed leis nach J2. Fach gan stach. Gan dachar sin. Ha mi dag is gwyl mi ciad. Ach, oh no. Charlam Stowe.
Let's go.
Coha cantin sin. Coha cantin sin. En then go an feikin agus ní le gamers an shotting go. Roilat. Cumi sin yarn.
This way! The docks are burning! Take this path. You'll avoid most attention. I'll give you cover when I can.
Okie dokie. Calm me down. Okay. Okie dokie.
Let's go. Time.
Wel, vision ma. Oh, woof. Question. Sin chosnach. Right, Shisha. Mach a live. Shisha. Oh, woof, genial. Oh, woof. Okay, vier is het eerst. Ik check of ik hem kunt krijgen in de huis en ik zo. Zo, ai. Kies je mensen.